let the ride begin. We're by Baby's Coffee. Lovely day. It is supposed to be at or near record highs. It's kind of a scenic ride here. There's a little park by Baby's Coffee that we parked our truck at. And that's also a good place to pick up a snack or a frozen coffee or a hot coffee or whatever else. Florida Keys Overseas Heritage Trail. Did-em. Whoa, it's very bumpy. And there's a bus stop. The bus. And I do believe I seen that they allow bikes on the highway buses now. They still only hold 2 or 3 though. Thank you. Oh, that's that place I wanted to go. Hun, I'm going to turn around. See if that place will let us go in there or not. Settlement Key stop.